Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a loan from Citibank. So, how you can apply for a loan in Citibank? Simply, of course, you'll need to go and log in into an account if you have an account, and if you don't have an account, you'll need to go and create an account first. So, the step one is decide how much you need and how it fits into your budget. But before even starting with all of that, let me remind you, just this is just a friendly reminder that loans are not a good thing. Probably it will get you into more debt, so it's better if you didn't take a loan from a bank. And just a personal reminder and a friendly reminder, you can take it or leave it as it is. So, as you can see, the step one is decide how much you need and how it fits into your budget. First, figure out how much you need to borrow, and this will depend on what expenses do you want to cover in the loan. Then, figure out your budget. Consider how payment, principal plus interest will fit into your budget going forward. Look at other monthly debt payments, expenses, and saving goals to figure out what size of loan you want to apply for. Step two is check your credits. Of course, you'll have to check your credit, and credit will play a critical factor in whether you will be approved for a loan. Before you apply, you may want to request your credit report. You can request credit report from each of the three major credit bureaus every 12 months and look for any errors. Keep in mind that better credits can help you get a lower interest rate. The higher your credit score, the more option you will have for lenders and loans. So step three is compare different type of personal loans. Here you'll be able to see different type of personal loans like unsecured versus secured personal loans. You can see everything. You can pause the video and read all the details that you want. So variable versus fixed rates personal loans. Again, pause the video to read everything that you want so you don't waste a lot of time. And then of course you'll need to gather those like documents to apply. So applying for personal loans, you will need a proof of your identity, address, and income, while other documents may be necessary. Here's what the most lenders require. So the application, basically, the lender will usually ask for details like your legal name, contract information, birth of date, social security number, proof of identity, proof of address, proof of income. And yeah, once you gather all of that, you can submit your application and receive fund if approved. You can simply submit it on the Citi personal loan portal right away. You can simply just go and click on check your rates, and then of course you can, depending on your rates, you can get the loan that suits you. As example, so you can get loans with no fees, secure application loans up to 30K. And yeah, you should be good to go. You'll just have to be signing into your account. If you don't have an account, if you have an account, of course you'll be able to sign in, or if you don't, you can simply go and open an account. Then simply choose the one that suits your need, then go and click on next. As example, maybe I want this loan. You'll have to fill up your information, then click on next, and etc. And you should be good to go. So that's gonna be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.